How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a burnt pot with baking soda. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Now, if you guys are wondering, wow, this is a fitness channel, why is he talking about a burnt pot? I do a lot of cooking. I am a bodybuilder. I am a powerlifter. You guys know that. I have a lot of subscribers that are the same. They're bodybuilders, they're powerlifters. And I don't know about you guys, but I use pots often. And a lot of times, before I used to burn them. I don't burn them anymore because I know what to do now. I know how to get rid of it. So, yeah, I had a subscriber, then they literally asked me this question: how do you get rid of a burnt pot? What you want to do, normally the reason why you get a burnt pot is overcooking the food, obviously, or cooking it too long. But you can also, I've seen this before, and I don't know why people do this. After you cook something with a pot, what they will do is they'll run water underneath it. Do not do this. That will burn the pot. So do not do this. I had someone that did this. They were cooking with a pot. The minute they were done it, they put water underneath it. It literally destroyed the pot. Do not do that. So if we're trying to get rid of a burnt pot, what we want to do is baking soda. Yes, baking soda does work. Very, very simple. Sprinkle a little baking soda, wait about 5-10 minutes, and then you can wash it out. A very, very simple method. Doesn't require baking soda, doesn't require anything. All you're going to do is you're going to get not a face towel. You're going to get a dish rag or a cloth or anything, as long as it's a cloth of some sort, and you're going to wet it. What you're going to do with that burnt pot, you're going to take that wet towel or that wet rag, and you're going to put it on the bottom of the pot that's burnt and just leave it for like 3-4 hours. When you come back, that burnt pot, you will literally be able to grab that compress or that rag or whatever, and it'll literally wipe completely off. This is a great trick if you guys ever get sticky stuff on your table or stuff on your oven and it just does not come off. Put a rag, let it sit for 3-4 hours, and then it literally just wipes off. It's a very easy trick that I found out. It works amazing. Literally just wet it with water, put a rag down, and it comes off completely. It's very, very simple. Other things you can do is vinegar. Salt helps to get rid of scorch marks. So those black marks you get on the bottom, the basically burnt marks. Salt helps, ketchup helps. But again, getting literally a wet rag, putting it on the pot 3-4 hours, let it soak up, and then it literally comes off like butter. It's super easy to do. So hopefully I did answer your question. It works for me every single time. I have burnt pots before. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.